Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors. Thank you for stopping by today to see me pack up this Happy Mail for a very special person. And I'm not going to say who it is because I don't know if they'll see this video or not see it, or they may not open this for a long time because they are going to have surgery, and that might be kind of difficult. So anyway, this is going to be a nautical themed Happy Mail package. So first of all, I just want to show you the card here that says God cares about you so much, and I'm gonna cover up the message inside just a second. And it says, may he be as close to you as a gentle hug while you're getting well. And there's a nice flower over there. So that is the card. And while I have this in my hands, I might as well show it to you. So I did some die cutting for her, and these are some of the ones that's in there. I had this palm tree that I got last year after summer was over, and I never got to use it. Oh my goodness. So anyway, that's what they look like. There's a big one and a little one. And then I did cut out some of these seaweed ones for her. And then I have some shells and a seahorse there in silver. And I did them in blue also. And I have more for her, but I wanted to show you these. And this is that new die that I got from Shein. And this cut out really good, and I do like the size of them. There's a big one and then a smaller one. So I'm just putting that vellum in between them so they don't get all tangled up with each other. So I might put this in the card. I haven't decided yet. I had an extra pack of these stickers from Dollar Tree, so I'm going to put those in there. And I also had an extra pack of these gems, and then these blue ones. I love those. I think they're so pretty. And then I had an extra one of these notebooks, so I am passing one of them along to her. Maybe she can write down her doctor's appointments or whatever she wants in there. Has a lot of pages. What was this? So last year I made a few of these shaker beach totes. This is the Chaos Craft die from last year. So you can make it into a shaker, so I did, and it comes with these word dies that you can put on there. There's some of my treasure trim there. You might remember seeing this from last year. So I just put a little bit of shred in there, and I wish this was taller, but it's not, and some of these things are going to be sticking way up. So anyway, I made her a bunch of these word dies that came with that. So we have sunny and vibes and beach and days, and then repeat. And I backed them up on some white glitter cardstock and then foam on the back, blue and orange foam. And I have them in this little mermaid envelope here. So we're going to stick that in there. And I gave her some of the sequin mix that I was using in a lot of the shakers. and I just tied a silver starfish on there and used this jute rope around the cap and put, whoops, and I put a gem on the top, which seems like it's not in place, but that's okay. Nothing's ever perfect, is it? I don't know how that slid over like that. So I made her a memory dex card. I don't know if you guys saw this or not. I really don't. I kind of kept the bag toppers pretty simple. And if she opens everything from the bottom, she can reuse these. So I'm going to... I don't know how this is going to fit in here. Might not, so... It might end up looking quite different when... Oh, did I show you the memory dex card? You can tell it's got a lot of bling on it. And I wrote her a message on the back of that. I got this summer dye from Scrap Diva, maybe? Anyway, I cut her out a couple, and she can use those. Does that fit? Sort of. I'll have to rearrange this. I made these embellishments last year when I was making this beach tote. So I included a couple of those. And then the bag topper just has some die cuts and a little tool and some gems, some sparkly gems. And these I had in my stash. So there's that. And of course you guys have seen the shell shakers that I've made in the past 2 years. And there's that seahorse again, and some seaweed and sea creatures. So that's going in. And you guys also saw these ticket shakers that I made. And this ephemera here was actually given to me by the person that I'm sending this to. So she'll recognize it, I think, when she sees it. I was hoarding them, so I'm letting one go, but only to the person that gave it to me. Isn't that terrible? I had these wooden anchors from the Dollar Tree, and I painted them like aqua color, and then I just went to town putting gems on it so it would look like sea glass. At least that was what I was thinking when I was doing it. And it took a really long time to do it, so I only made a couple of them. And it has that netting and tool on it also. Very sparkly nautical package. So here are the little words. I'm going to stick those in there. I'm probably going to have to wrap this up in tissue paper and then lay it down, right? I'm pretty sure. And then I have this Bring Your Own Sunshine that came from the Dollar Tree, and it has a matching dish towel inside, which has nothing to do with Nautical, but I'm giving it to her anyway. And then here's her card and die cuts. I'll put some more tissue paper on there, and I might put a couple of more things in there, so I hope you might see her video whenever she opens this, which may not be for a long time, but that's okay. So, get well soon, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time with something new.